With the new search options menu in Concord, it's now even easier to conduct a stemming search. A stemming search can be used if you'd like your search results to include words that are similar to but have slightly different endings than the words you put into the search bar. For example, if you were interested in searching for the word joy and you wanted your search results to include similar words such as joys, joyful, joyfully, etc., you could do this by first typing the word joy into the search bar. Then you could click on the words Search Options just below the search bar to open up the new Search Options menu. Next, you'll see the words Stemming Search at the top of the Search Options menu, and if you move your mouse to the gray button just across from those words and click on that button, it will activate Stemming Search, turning the gray button to blue and putting the word stemming in a small blue box just underneath the search bar. At this point, you can move your mouse up to the magnifying glass and click on that magnifying glass to start the search. Results will then show everywhere in the books in which the word joy or words that are very similar to joy but have a slightly different ending appear in the books. When you are done with this search, to clear the stemming feature, you can come up to the X in a circle in the search bar and click to clear all, or you can also click on Search Options menu to open the menu once again and head down to the blue Reset button. Clicking this button will remove any of the advanced search features that you have applied to your search, and then you could search for only the word joy in the books.